Hi guys, today's lesson is Home on the Range, Battle Hymn of the Republic, Happy Birthday, Ode to Joy, and Go Tell Aunt Rhody. And for your song test this week, I need you to make a video of Ode to Joy and Go Tell Aunt Rhody for me. Okay, so those two songs. And they can come on one video or you can do it separate. I don't care. Just get both of those done. So the first new concept for today is the dotted quarter note. So if you notice, it's a one count note, a quarter note with a dot. So it's like combining a quarter note with an eighth note. So it receives 1.5 beats. So it's a half a beat longer than a quarter note. So if you're going to write the rhythms for this, which I sent you in your homework PDFs, the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if you counted if you clapped this rhythm, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So that comes in on the second page of Home on the Range. So let's count through this one. So it's 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and tie and 2 and 3 and 1 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 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and tie and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, tie 2. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and tie for 2. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and tie, rest. Okay, so Home on the Range. Battle Hymn of the Republic has a bunch of this rhythm. It has a bunch of the dotted quarter notes. So you're starting with an eighth note in this song, so it's a pickup of and. So you go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, tie 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, tie 2, 3, 4. The next one, Happy Birthday, has a dotted eighth note to a 16th note. So we haven't learned 16th notes yet. But a 16th note has two flags when it's by itself, okay? And then when you play 4 of them, it has 2 bars at the top. When you play 4 of them, it equals 1 quarter note. So when you play a dotted 8th note, okay, to a 16th, like the rhythm there, but they put a bar, so that's that written by itself. And then for the happy birthday, you have it like this, okay, with a dot, means the same thing. So this is, for example, in this one, it starts on beat 3. So this would be 3 E and So you have to divide 4 beats up here, okay? You have to divide 1 beat into 4, and then this takes 3 16th notes, and this is 1. So it's 3 E and D, okay? Starting from happy birthday. So this would be 3 E and D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and D, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2. So the dotted notes you've heard your whole entire life. From like deck the halls with, that's a dotted quarter note. Happy birthday is the dotted 8th note. Happy birthday to you is the da, da, da. And when you count it formally, it's 3 E and da 1. But you can kind of use your ear for this guy, right? So next new thing is Ode to Joy. Your left hand is going to move down to C3, okay, with your pinky. So your new note here in Ode to Joy is this low C. I call it low C. It's in the 3rd space down in the bass clef, and that's C3. So you're gonna be alternating from C3 to the G with your thumb. So this left hand is here on the C, and then your thumb on the G, okay? So when you play it hands together, you're gonna press the C3 with this E at the same time. Song test that I need a video. Go Tell Aunt Rhody is exactly the same thing. You have C3, so that's 3rd space down in the bass clef, and then you have the G, and you're going to use your thumb. So this song starts off exactly the same way Ode to Joy does. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Okay, so that's your song test for this week, Ode to Joy and Go Tell Aunt Rhody. The other 3 songs is just to introduce the dotted 8th note, which is 1.5 beats, and then the dotted 16th note, which is, or the dotted quarter note, which is 1.5 beats, the dotted 8th note, which is 3/4 of a beat, because it is 4 16th notes, right? You're taking 3 of those to create the dotted 8th note. So a couple of new concepts today, and then you also have your new C3 down here with your pinky. Okay, so your hands are moving into a new position. You're not in that middle C position. All right, have a good week.